Today I'm gonna do a little unboxing of this cool company out in California called World's Best Graffiti Removal. Spoke to them on the phone. They probably had hands down the best customer service that I've ever experienced. I'll show you. What's up, guys? Let's see. Thank you, World's Best Graffiti Remover. You guys are doing a great job. Stick around because we're gonna actually do the graffiti removal using this product right here. And why not? We're gonna use this right here. Overall, World's Best Graffiti Removal System is worth it. It took care of all the graffiti that was on there, and my customer's happy. I'm happy. The World's Best Graffiti Remover. I give it a thumbs up.